Adobe's Mixamo is really great. It has all kinds of animations that you can upload and auto rig. And after you've auto rigged, you can see your animation right on the screen. But how can we download a T-pose? If I click on these, I get animations, but I don't get just a clean T-pose. Well, you can also download poses from Mixamo. If I search pose, I'll get a lot of different poses. So I can have a pose just like this. This is really fun for creating different 3D print statues of characters that you model. They're all ready posed in different ways that can make really great 3D prints. I think this is super fun. Sitting on the side there, leaning back. Oh yeah, so good. But when we're trying to do other operations, we may need a T-pose. And right at the top is the classic T-pose. Most of the time you might model your object or character this way, but in case you haven't, this is a great way to download a T-pose. So if I go ahead and just click download, that will download that as a T-pose, and I can import it into Blender or Maya, Unreal Engine, or anywhere else I need a T-pose. Hopefully this allows you to export a T-pose FBX file from Mixamo. Happy 3D modeling.